So let me show you in the house. Let me show you downstairs. Okay, this is the kitchen, as you probably know now. It's the dinner there. We were thinking to change the floor, like, or in the receptionist area. We have keys for the doors too, but we usually use these key cards. But don't just click like this, something wrong could go with the machine. So you better be careful with how many cards you get. Yeah, see there? It gets broken. So you need to be extra careful with it. The first floor needs to use a key card because that one is for grown-ups. That one too. Can you bring a key card to your arm? Okay. And by the way, bring these two, just in case. Your parents are gonna have balloons up, and here it says it's free, okay. Because sometimes they think when people drive by, they think it's a hotel, and then they pay immediately. I'm thinking about putting hangers in the bathroom for the bathroom. Are only for towels, so yeah, let's go. I think we need to end the recording now, but bye.